Okay, so we have arrived at Lucknow airport, and this is for me. This is for the first time. I'm landing at Lucknow, and I'm waiting to see city because it has been in my wish list since long. Okay, so we have reached Dudhwa National Park and we are in our guest house, forest guest house. You can see a beautiful path going inside the forest, Dudhwa National Park. There is a beautiful path going inside sal. There are mostly sal trees in this forest, and you can see lovely cottages around. And we started at 6:20 from Bombay. Our flight was at 6:20 and it reached around 8:15. So we started from Lucknow airport at around 8:30 by road, and we reached Dudhwa National Park at 1:30. So it takes around 5 hours to reach Dudhwa National Park from Lucknow airport. You can see beautiful cottages here, and this is our room. And we'll have some snack right now because there is hardly any time to have lunch. And our here Saurabh is saying hi.
Hello. Let's have tea.
So we'll our first safari will start at 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'm really excited. This is for me. This is for the first time. So I'm really excited. Wow! So we have started our safari. It's 2:30 now. It's a lovely forest.
हमको थोड़ा कोई बर्ड वर्ड भी दिखेगा ना, आउल स्पेशली अगर कुछ दिखेगा तो हम थोड़ा दिखाएंगे.
Dudhwa National Park is located in the northern part of Uttar Pradesh in India, in the Lakhimpur Kheri district in the Terai belt of marshy grasslands. It is very near to Nepal border. In this trip, we were 2 couples and our safari organizer was Sonu. There are sambar, barking spotted hog deer, barasinga, jackals, civets, jungle cats and sloth bears. This national park is also famous for swamp deers, apart from tigers and rhinos, which were reintroduced from Assam and Nepal in 1984. While on the hunt of tigers, suddenly we saw a group of swamp deers in a small water body. They are very shy. As soon as they saw us, they started running away and stopped amid tall grass. We could still see them and they were watching us. The forest is very beautiful with mostly sal trees. It is very dense, and when the morning and evening sun rays fall on the dusty path, it looks like heaven. Dudhwa National Park has two gates, Kishanpur Wildlife Sanctuary and Kataniya Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary. Yellow ochre colored carpet of dry leaves in the whole forest increases the beauty of forest. This is our second day, but still no luck on tiger sighting. We used to slow down where 3 or 4 paths meet to see if we get something interesting. Birders, be happy because there are so many species of birds like woodpeckers, crested serpent eagles, owls, oriental pied hornbills and many more. We are really enjoying these rides. My most favorite travel is road travels. And that too if it is in my favorite gypsy, open air, smell of forest and wildlife. तो फिर क्या कहना? Tigers should be here somewhere because pug marks were moving in this direction. Dudhwa has a mix of different landscapes which includes huge open grasslands like these. There are different types of ferns here, so you will get to see different sizes, shapes and shades of green leaves. Do not miss sunset at this grassland area. An important tip for you: cover yourself and your camera and lens with proper covers. Dudhwa is full of dust. Dudhwa has lot of water bodies, so you will get to see a few water birds too. Shh! Silence. Tiger hunt is going on. So finally we saw something. There are 5-6 elephants here. We are very close to elephants, and there are babies also with them. So the mother has done once or twice mock charge.
बीच में रहता है ना, बिल्कुल प्रोटेक्टेड रहता है। और एक उधर भी एक छोटा बच्चा।
You can also do some macro photography inside your stay premises. Now we are moving from Kishanpur to Kataniya Ghat. It is around 100 kilometers far, so it will be a 3 hours ride. Kataniya Ghat's landscape is more interesting than Kishanpur. That's what I felt. It is thicker and denser.
अरे आराम से क्या आ रहा है टहलता हुआ आराम से गाड़ी
Ask your guide for Burmese python spot. If you are just a tiger sighting lover, then I would suggest this is not the place for you because the forest is very dense. It is very difficult to spot or track a tiger. We did not get tiger at all, but who cares? We loved the whole experience.